Oh, why is... Oh, that is the wrong ass thing. You saw nothing. Alright, so that music is a bit loud. Hold up, turning yourselves down, bitches. Don't swell my ears. Alright, it's been a while. I'm gonna go ahead and do like a quick test. Just to make sure this room is up and in working order. The only thing I really need to test is the vending machine and talk to Gorna. After that, we just need to decide on what to do in terms of all that. Just making sure. Yep. We need to find something to do when it hits a, when we type 666. I still don't know what to do for that. But I could, C5. Is that a gun? I can't afford it. Huh. What should we get here? There should not be a C5. I'm sorry, there should not be a B5. There should also not be a B6. Type A4, nothing should happen. A3, old chip. 5. Eat like a man, man. Oh, that's because I added that screen effect from when I did 666. But it never got cleared. Right. I'll fix that in a second. Yep. Now we get to explore. Oh, what that was about. Should there be more time between when she exits and when the lockdown happens? I could script it so that there's a little extra time. Yeah, I probably should. Yeah, let's go to the common event that gets called when I type 666. Yeah, this is what happens when I type 666. I had a lot more stuff here, though. On the first day of Christmas, the doc sent to me. What did I send? A little sip. I've been sent a little sip. Okay. Share text. Then, 666, bitch? That, just a test to see that works. How's it going? I'm just putting the finishing touches to the vending machine, and then probably gonna decorate, and then do the first, real puzzle. I don't know if you saw me finish up the vending machine last time. So if I hit, like, A1, it does the thing. I say don't. C5. Is that a gun? I can't afford it. Because, you know, gun. And then 666. 666, bitch. I should probably add a clear to that as well. So that it doesn't, like... Oh, I need to figure out what happens when I type 666, though. What would happen when I type 666? That's the question. I know everything else. Like, I hit B2, and I'm going to buy the dead goal. Buy some croc piss. And the Beastables bar. But the real question is, what should I be doing right here? That is the question. I think maybe... Hold on. Let us consult the flowchart. Actually, let me make sure I pulled up. I don't want to accidentally show porn for my search history while I'm pulling this up. More specifically, doxing information, but you know what I mean. Alright. I'm gonna go and close this while I look at it. Because the question is, what if... Not so secretive. Yeah, I'm so secretive for my porn history, imagine. Hey, you want to seem like a normal person? Use a non-incognito tab, look up very normal porn, and then look up your kinky stuff in incognito tab. That way, when somebody is like looking up, oh, what porn does he look? They'll only see normal porn and not the kinky shit. It's smoke and mirrors, bitches. That's how it's done. Because it would be suspicious if you had no porn on your search history, but if you had normal porn on your search history, then it's like, oh, well, this guy's boring. Rather than the kinks. Keep all the foot stuff in incognito tab, and just be like missionary in the regulars. That's how it's done. Or whatever you're into. I don't know what you're into. Why is it stuck on like 95%? Come on. Is it frozen? If it loads immediately, then something weird happened. Hmm? Yeah, something weird happened. Okay. Alright. So here's the question. What if the vending machine gave a human heart? And there's something we could do in the operating room if we have the extra heart from the vending machine. What for? It's the operating room. Someone could need a heart transplant or some shit. I don't know. What if the patient needs a heart transplant? I don't know. This should be renamed as drink now. Actually, maybe it's a goat's heart. Maybe. Another thing it could be is... Oh, there's a, dying waifu that you have to do that you need the knife and surgical pipes to save. And when you get it, you get the conveyor pistons. And if the waifu lives, you also get the tablecloth, which is really just the surgical cloth on the table. The other thing I could think of, if we don't use the heart here, maybe we could... I think the heart should have two purposes. One being in the operating room, and one being in the cafeteria. As, in order to date the waifu, you have to have candles, give her chocolate and flowers, and the heart for the entree of the meal. And that gives you the date subject X ending. It puts one extra item in the dating ending. Could be. A little secret, maybe. By the way, what is this default red triangle? Oh wait, that's what comes out of the conveyor, right? I had to think for a second. Gotta turn the red triangles into blue circles, right? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I'm kind of fine with that. And obviously you need both the chocolate and the heart. So I'm gonna make it so that you can still buy something after getting the heart. So first, let's go ahead and make a heart item. Human question mark heart. That's what we're gonna call it, this human question mark heart. Yeah, heart should be free. An option. Well, the thing is, if I do it this way, you need to buy both the heart and one of the chocolates. So I need you to buy something else in addition to the heart. So human question mark heart. Alright, common vents, vending machine press. Wait. First of all, that doesn't need to be a thing anymore. Vending machine error and process. I think I should not necessarily be for the ending. After all, it's a little Easter egg. Well, it's not. It's not the ending. The true. There's the regular ending, and then that. No, the main ending does not require the heart. Dating the waifu is an optional ending. The main ending is when you go to the CEO office. That's the objective of the game, is to get to the CEO office. Even if the other endings are better technically, that's the main ending. Like, a lot of games have like regular endings and then true endings. And the regular ending can always be gotten, but sometimes you can miss the true ending based on decisions you make along the way. So yeah, I think human heart is definitely... Oh, they're folded. That's why there's like nothing here. I forgot that they actually allow code folding here. Yeah, still, I don't think even a non-main ending tied to an Easter egg item. It's not really an Easter egg item. I feel like a lot of people will see the 6 and be like, huh, that can't be a useless button. Yeah, I'm not going to treat it as an Easter egg. How's it not? How's it not what? Because there's hints on... I'm gonna probably put something as a hint to... getting it. The... Curiosity. I could probably, add stuff to make it a little more, enticing, such as... Like, if I... What? Okay. The heck? Okay, I don't know why... Huh? Wait, hold on. Okay, that's weird. Now let's undo that. Add a little bit of spray. Not too much. Width, speed. Okay, we'll put the width to like 8. And use like a little brush here. Like that's a good hint. You're seeing blood on the 6, and you're like, huh. I think that's all you really need. I mean, I like it. I don't... That's stupid. How's it stupid? I mean, it's there. It's just a blood splatter. You don't think that's enough of a hint? I mean, it's literally drawing your attention to the 6. I don't know what other hint you would want for that. I know you make this stuff, but I still think a human heart should not be safe enough to be tied to an ending. Dude, I have like 12 different endings, though. I think. Wait, how many endings do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7... That plus the merchant hints should be enough. me its own ending. I'm gonna give it a heart now and not be fully committed either way for now. Let's see here. Okay. Okay. So this will give me exchange items. Now we'll figure out what to do with the heart later. Okay. Create the else branch. Can we restock the sips? You should have a sip ready. I feel like it's been enough time. There's no sips left. Wait. Hold on. Let me check. Ba ba ba. Viewer rewards. Power percent. Okay, little sip is here. There's no limit. It shouldn't be out of stock. Huh. Maybe refresh the stream? I don't... It doesn't have a limit. It just says 1 minute cooldown. That's it. Ah, there it goes. Sippies. Alright. Fat cats like you, Doc, ordered all the steps for themselves, leaving none to the poor. Look, listen! 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 I will not tolerate the slander. Also, hi, Usabi! What's up? We're just programming, getting a human heart from a vending machine right now. Man, we could probably just do that. I have to go work. It's so fucked up. Oh no! Not work! Ew! Disgusting! Twitch on phone thing? It might be a Twitch on phone thing. Twitch mobile app has always been odd. Okay. Control variables. Oh, variable A. Not my 9 to 5 that I'm paid to go. Oh, you have a second job? You have a 9 to 5 and something else? Working that double? Is that what I'm hearing? Or is this something that you're being voluntold for? Oh, is this the one job? Alright. I was about to say, if you're working 2 jobs and streaming, goddamn, girl. Alright, let me get this heart from the vending machine real quick. Ba, ba, ba. I go for a snack. Is that a heart? Is it human? Slash auto! Okay. Wait, maybe slash auto isn't the in tag. Well, it didn't charge me for it, and it's free. It did not clear. Okay, there's probably some fixes I need for that. Alright, let me see about fixing that. Oh, that's because it has exit event processing here. Alright, the exit event processing should be here. It doesn't really need this, so... Oh wait, I still need the one at the front, though. Oh, I haven't put faces on the others. Yeah, I don't mind not having a face for, like, the regular snacks. But when getting the human heart, you gotta have that face. Being like the, huh? Fucking what, mate? Yeah. Alright, I'll show you. 1 second. Let me numb on this. I could go for a snack. If I go, like, C6, it says error. Because C6 is not a combination. If I hit C and then another letter, well, there's no letter by letter. And I can't just press numbers. And then if I go A5, there's no A5. And then obviously if I get like an actual combination, then it does the normal thing. So I think the programming for this is pretty much done-ish. I got to go ahead and file export as... It never registers the actual project for some reason. Image, pictures, vending machine. Yes, export. Now let's just see what it looks like with that added to it. There we go. Don't worry, that's ketchup. Someone spilled ketchup on the vending machine. Now that, also, one thing I just thought of. I think the window should not be here. I think I'm going to add something to the script so that the window doesn't show. Because it's cringe. Window, yeah. The window, the background. The little box that the vending machine was in when I launched it. Just like how the text is in a window. That little border. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so we're going to add a show window thing here. With that being added, it should... Oh, wait, not here. Here. Show window should be false. Wait, why did it have me type it? Is it not bool? RPG... RPG Maker API... Documentation... One second. RPG Maker plugin... Is this it? That is. Hold up. I gotta check something. Bool. Yeah, there's like a lot of things. I just gotta go to the actual plugin. Oh, they spelled Boolean fully out. Okay. You have to spell it out. Let's make sure that that is correct now. Okay. Window, interactable. Initialize. Rect items. Let me go to where it's actually at. I could probably just turn this to options. And then over here, options. Options.items. One second. Next part, window. back opacity. That's what I need. Just set back opacity to 0. This dot back opacity equals 0 if options dot show window. I called it show window, right? Oh, wait a second. This is not Ruby. I'm using fucking Ruby syntax on JavaScript. Fuck you, Knuckles. Ah. This is what I get for helping someone with Ruby scripts. I forget JavaScript for a second and try and type it like the Ruby way. If else, Yandere. No! I am not Yandere Dev. Never. Have you seen half the shit that Yandere Dev has? Do you know that Yandere Dev is just a bad programmer? Like, I love... Wait, okay. Hold on. Worst of Yandere Dev code. Oh, someone has, like, screenshots. Oh, yeah, no, oh. Yeah, it is... Well, here's the thing. What is this? Found in source for Yandere Dev's code. Oh, that makes me want to vomit. You probably don't understand. First of all, if you're going to have that many if-else statements, use a switch. Second, enhance. I don't know if there is an enhance. It's starting to get blurry. It's not very big and... No, I'm trying to zoom. You see that zoom at the top corner? It's like one of those bullshit... Actually, wait. Copy image address. Maybe this will work. No, it doesn't. I just want to zoom in. Oh. Come on. Let me zoom. Save image. I have to fucking save it just to zoom in. Okay. Like, this is... You can have a fucking database for this information. You don't have to hard code all your materials. You're not... You're just assigning Unity objects to fucking... He could just use the game engine's default tools to define this. He doesn't need to put it in the code. He is hard coding things that could just be assigned within the game engine. And he's doing it as a series of if-else statements. There's no way. This is a single Boolean? This is a single fucking Boolean. All this computes to a single true or false. There's no fucking way. Oh my god. Ain't reading that. I know, right? I don't want to break this down. Alright, it checks to see if the main character is armed. and the equipped weapon is suspicious, or if the yandere is armed and the equipped weapon is bloody, or if it's not a teacher and student ID is greater than 1. So I guess if it's a student, but if it's not a teacher, then wouldn't it be a student? Is there characters other than the students and teachers? Maybe there's like a staff, like a custodian or something. But that could have just been translated to this dot is student, not all that. Check and see if yandere is pickpocketing or attacking or cauterizing or struggling or dragging. Oh my god. There is so much you could break down. Like, this entire thing could be broken up. Like, you could say if... I think they were, like, student council members or something. Yeah, but they're still students. That's bad, but that's not worse than what I just read. They had prep sprays. Yeah. We're gonna students in. Oh, no. That is not what's atrocious about this. Yeah, this is another yandere dev thing. I remember seeing this, and it's like, instead of checking to see if a number is even, they did this. Yeah. So, they're saying they want to know if a number is even. So they say if the number is 1, false. If the number is 2, true. Number is 3, false. And they just alternate for the numbers they need. The thing is... Private bool is even. Int number. Return number, if I can even type that, 2, 0. Done. This right here does what all of this does. All of this can be simplified to this. Yeah. That's all you have to do. Because modulus... One second, let me take a sip. Modulus is a function that divides a number and then returns the remainder. So, for example, if you were to take 9 and divide it by 4, you would get 2 with 1 remainder. So, 9 mod 4 would give you 1. Imagine if you had the chess minigame. Computers would explode. Okay, enough hopping on yandere dev. I've seen way too much of his shit. The thing he has over me is time. If I had the spare time he did, I'd make a much better game than that. If I could game dev as a full-time job. That'd be great. Anyway, let me see if this actually fixed the thing. I'm gonna go in there and see if I see the window. If I see the edges of the window, I failed. If I could game dev as full-time job, I'd make porn. That is fair! The window is... Oh! I made the background of the window transparent, but not the borders. So there's like this like blue hue on the border of the window. That's what I made transparent, not the borders as well. So I guess that's not what I'm looking for. Wait. Is it the other window? Yes, the other window. Back opacity. Frame visibility? Maybe it's frame visible. I think frame might be the border. Where am I? There it is. Alright, let's see if that works. Although, watch it be the other way around. Watch it so that the border goes away and the background's there, and I have to do both. It is! The border went away, but the background is still there. I have to do both. Alright. Alright. Testing it again. Alright, there it goes. It's just a floating vending machine. Is that a heart? Is it human? Well, it didn't charge me. It's 3-3. Enhanced. And let's go ahead and get ourselves a bar. Alright. So if we look at our items, we have a bar and a human heart. I need to eventually fix the, make a new menu. Which is something I should do at some point. Maybe I could do that now. So, let's go ahead and take a note of what we actually need the menu to have. So, in the menu, we should have items. Options. Can Gorna have the heart? She can have my heart. Is that what game end. Is there anything else we need? Items. We don't need skills. We don't need equipment. We don't need status or formation. Got options. I do not want to save from here. No, my. I mean, you can rip out your heart and give it to her all you want. She can do with the snack. Is there anything else I need from the menu? Not that I can think of. Right. I'm gonna like come up with plans on what I want to do for the menu later. I'm not just gonna stare here and blankly look at it. Are we saving from checkpoints? Uh, no. There's going to be a guy that you talk to save the game. So it is manual save, just not from the menu. You talk to a dude to save the game. And he'll be in the main corridor. That kind of acts as a hub to get from room to room. Yeah, it'll, let me open up the guy. Oh, that's what you meant? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that'd be save points, not checkpoints. Checkpoints is whenever you do a significant action, it saves automatically. Okay. Ace Sprite. Waifu Corp. Characters is do template. I did like they do in rpgmaker. Put some fucking booker. Yeah. This is the guy you have to talk to save. This guy is just gonna be some mysterious guy who just roams around the hallways. You talk to him to save the game, and you can give tokens that you find around the map to buy hints. The peddler. Yeah. Yeah. If you give him tokens, he gives you hints. That's the thing. I think I have like something on the thing for him. Corridor. Yeah. So you can spend 1 coin to get a hint. And then if you... That should be red because endings. I want something to happen if you save up all 10 coins and spend it all at once, which means that you A, found all 10 coins, and B, didn't need any hints. I just don't know what that is yet. I just know that he's gonna have something nice. What that is, I have no idea. We're gonna discover that together. Oh. What? Alright. I decided to, like, nix the orientation video because I feel like it's a little clunky. What the heck? Snap. So, here's the vending machine rack. We're also grabbing a heart from here. There's going to be a hint on the magazine rack. And then I need to add a keypad. So, it's not going to be a magazine rack anymore. It's going to be like a magazine table. So, I need to add like magazines here that give January. Yeah, I think that I said the first Saturday in January. I had to make it so that we dodged all the Christmas and New Year's stuff. So after that, um, 1 second. Let me look at the calendar. I think I said the 4th. Yeah, the 4th. Yeah, yeah. So if you think of here, the edge of the table is 1 pixel on top, and then this floats up a pixel. So that's what I have to consider for that. So let's go to tile set. And it is 2. So shift in. So this is the border of where I need to put the magazines. It just needs to fit inside of here. Unless you think there's a better way to get a hit for the thing. We could get it from various areas. I don't know if we've decided what we're doing. It depends on whether we're doing a double feature or not. Child's Play, The Thing, and Little Shop of Horrors are mentioned. If we watch 2 movies, then we watch 2 movies. If we watch 1 movie, we'll try to do other stuff beforehand. That's just kind of how we're thinking. Okay, file new. Ignoring my what? Oh, orphan. For some reason, I thought I was the first person to post. So once I saw my post, I ignored everything before that. Listen. Okay. Alright, if we do 25%. If we go 250, 250. I mean, that's still pretty big for a keypad. We we can go lower. 120? Okay, this is a good template. And we'll probably... That's a mighty keypad. It has to be big enough that you can press the buttons accurately. Okay. 1 second. Let me look at references. Security keypad. It's probably going to be like one of these things. Yeah, this looks like a thing for arming and disarming. So what do we need? A little sip. Okay. I think because this is the tutorial level, I think I need at least 1 item. So I think we should have a, in addition to a 4-digit combination, a key card. Because now that I'm seeing this like little thing, I'm like, oh, what if they are going to left a key card behind the desk? Mm-mm. And then we could probably just have a text reader like this. Fair. That way we can make sure that they know how to use the item inventory before you leave. Alright, but yeah, have a good night. Enjoy your slappies. And enjoy work or whatever you have in the morning. Bye-bye. Mwah. Mm-mm. Nothing? Oh, that's perfect. That is the best plans. Nothing. I got work in the morning, so I'm like, eh. You gotta hate it. Alright. I mean, my girlfriend after her New Year's work party in the evening, though. Wait, you're celebrating New Year's before Christmas? That's odd. I mean, I guess that it's a Christmas party that is quote unquote not a Christmas party. A legally distinct, not offensive to people who don't celebrate Christmas party. I assume. Since it's a work thing. Russia is mostly Orthodox, so we have Christmas on the 7th. Ah! Okay. Yeah. That checks out. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, you probably like watch all these American movies about Christmas being on the 25th, going, motherfucker, Santa's not coming yet. I think this is the best reference image I have of what I want for a keypad. I do probably want like these color buttons here as well. In Dodge of the Communist Past, we put more emphasis on New Year rather than Christmas. Hmm. Yeah, that is fair. Because like even if you don't believe in certain things, things of the past affect how traditions are made. Like a lot of things in Christmas have nothing to do with Christianity. It has to do with Druidic paganism. Like I don't like one of the biggest things that people are surprised to hear is why you kiss under the mistletoe. Because they actually what so we kind of celebrate New Year like you do Christmas, and 7th is just for believers. Got it. That makes sense. Mm-mm-mm. All right. So let's go ahead and make the frame. Can I make it a curved? Okay, we're on the rectangle tool, but can I make it a curved rectangle? I wonder if that's a possible thing, because I've wanted to do that. Ace. Bright. Curved. Rounded rectangle. Use the circle tool and draw the corners to round off, and then... Rounded rectangles aren't available, use the circle tool. Okay. And if it's a technique, we have Dead Moreau's. I'm not gonna believe what I know what that is. I'll have to Google that later. Oh, so the Druids had a ritual, every winter, where they would choose one guy, and they would squeeze mistletoe into his wine. Mistletoe is poisonous, by the way. They would squeeze mistletoe into his wine, have him drink it, and for the next 3, they will allow him whatever pleasures he desires, and then ritualistically sacrificed him on the 3rd day. Yeah, that was the Christmas origins of mistletoe. Nowadays, I mean, yeah. Uh, because the guy who drank the mistletoe, got 3 days of whatever pleasures he chose, which is mostly sexual, and the sexual stuff got toned down to just kissing. And they're obviously not going to drink the mistletoe; it's poisonous. Now, what does it mean if they kiss? What for? Well, they're not going to get ritualistically sacrificed anymore, but I still think this is they just fucking kiss. Yeah. Why you don't have kissing under the mistletoe in Russia? You never heard of that? Is that not something that came over? 1 second. Uh, okay, we're not going to look at the druid stuff. We want to decorate a house with mistletoe. I mean, no one uses real mistletoe because, again, it's poisonous. They just have fake mistletoe. Yeah, this is what real mistletoe looks like, and this is what the fake mistletoe that we use looks like. Yeah. It's not common for people in America to decorate with either because of the implications and all that. But it's supposed to be romantic to kiss underneath the mistletoe during Christmas. Supposed to be. It's not. I don't want to. It's just one of those weird traditions. Anyway, weren't you sleeping? Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, it's again, it's one of those weird things. How should I do the buttons? Making it white on a gray background might be fine. One. It's about to, and then I derailed you. Uh, actually, yeah, that looks like a better 5 than that. About seeing my girlfriend tomorrow. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I hope you enjoy all that. 8, 7, 8, 9. Well, it's 6 of 8 of 7. Yeah, tell me more what you fellas do on Christmas, the holiday of capitalism. I mean, I've already bought all the presents. My Christmas shopping is done. Should I leave the 6 like that, or should I... Actually, I think that looks better. Yeah, this is probably going to be super zoomed in. Oh, I'm not arranging it. I'm just simply making the font. I'm going to make the buttons and then drag it over. So, numbers. Now you have to make the buttons. Yeah. What's a good color? Is that... Yeah, that looks kind of fine. Although you decided to start with the buttons. Well, I have to make the back of the buttons before I make the front of the buttons. Alright, let's see. Probably trim off the top. I think that looks good for a button. Alright, then we take the numbers and we start dragging them on. Boop. Alright, so there's the buttons. Next, we'll need like a little, card scan. I think it should have to be one of the RFID ones rather than a swipe, because a swipe would just be a line. And if I were to just put a line, that probably wouldn't stick out that much. It probably wouldn't be obvious. So, let's, go to rectangle. Not the filled one, the squared one. Alright, enjoy your Sleppy. And I'll take that final sip. Let's go ahead and do a circle tool here. Make it somewhat rounded. Actually, if I just do this. we'll just make that shape here. And then connect. There we go. It's a little elongated, but I think that's kind of fine for what I'm doing. Four connected. I hate having to switch from 4 connected and 8 connected. Oh, that's on the wrong layer. Interface. Text in numbers. Alright, it's gonna say scan. Card. Yep, scan card. I could actually just make this a little cleaner. No, I need the extra one to emphasize that that's a DN. So I'm gonna make that a little longer. Scan card. And I'm probably just gonna put a let's go interface. Pull that. Make that white, and it's just gonna say reset. Actually, reset's not gonna... I need to say clear. I still don't have enough. I don't think clear buttons even exist within the thing. I might just like nix this. And I'm going to move the 0 over here. I don't think I'm going to put the star and pound on it, though. I know cards tend to have them, but I'm like, eh. I mean, that's probably all I need. I need some more space on the top for the... Hold on. Something like this. It's probably going to have to be a lot of art that's being done here. Also, that should be on this layer. There's a lot of things that need to be on that layer. Alright, there we go. Got there. Also, I think this should be directly above the numbers. So I'm going to put that here. Yeah, I guess scan card could be a bit higher. Yeah. I'm going to drop this a little. Alright, and then is there like a lighter shade? That is not even the right layer. There we go. Look at that. That's looking like a keypad. But yeah, I also need to put a tile on there. Alright. Sprite. Ah. Trim. Alright, we have a keypad. Alright, merge down. Alright. So it's going to be base. And on top of base, we have this. Clear that out. Alright. Just a little cleanup. There we go. So this is what I'll export, the keycard back. And then I'll have this as its own file, and the buttons as their own file. Alright. We'll also go ahead and put a light thing on here. I thought I saw a security keypad that had the lights on it. I think it's yellow for ready, red for invalid. Alright. And I can just make it whatever I want, but I want to see if that has with light indicators. Oh, there it is. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. So it's a red, yellow, green on that one. Yeah, I think red, yellow, green is probably a good combination. Ba-ba. Okay. Duplicate. Scan card is the only thing I want on here. File. Export. Oh. Layer. Actually, let me go ahead and export the base. Export as. Still don't know why it doesn't ever show up. It is what it is. I just realized I muted the music and never turned it back on. Imagine just not having music. I don't know how long that was like. Okay, so we'll just throw this onto pictures. And this will be the security keypad. Export. Then we have the scan card. Trim, sprite. Export. Security keypad dot card scan. We're gonna have to have a separate thing for this. Buttons. File new from that. Alright, 0. We're gonna make it so that the index is the same as the number, so we're gonna start with 0. Alt B. Alt B. Alt B. Alt buttons can be a bit awkward on my finger combination presses. Especially when I'm, like, on the control. Seven. 9. Okay, that should be all of them. File. Export. Sprite sheet. Output file. Buttons. .png. Alright, then we'll just make a 3x3. And we'll make this a green light, a yellow light, and a red light. Export sprite sheet. And this will just be indicator lights. Simple enough. Oh, buttons should not have that in their layer, so I'll just go to remove it. And we'll go ahead and save this. Security. This will be the lobby security keypad. And we could probably put this at, like, Zoom 8. Let me see how Zoom 8 looks. Actually, first things first. Oh, wait. Paste everything. And... oh. Kinda get a general idea of what it looks like when it's shrunk like this. We could probably make it look a lot better than that. Bop, 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 doot, doot, doot. Alright, we're dooting it like this. Then we use the rectangle tool here. Maybe we could make it one thicker. One thicker ain't gonna hurt. dies of thickness. Alright. I'm gonna shove it, like, here. For the sake of space. Alright. File. Export as? Oh. Waifu Corp showed up on the recents. Nice. Tile sets. This is Lab B. Export. Huh? Excuse me? What? Oh no, what happened there? Yeah, there's a thing that I... Alright, await lockdown. Lockdown start. Bam. Ugh. Does the wait lockdown just happen immediately after this conversation? Okay, so I should put, like, any actual weights here. I'm just gonna put 500 frames just for the sake of being able to move for testing reasons. It's gonna be, like, a lot more frames later. I think a full minute should pass. Actually, 1 minute should pass. Which is 60 times 60. 3,000. Oh, shit. Is that just a fucking... One second. Library... Objects... Game... Interpreter... Actually, let's just search for weight. This dot weight is all I need. Alright, so in random, wait minute, So we're gonna put wait minutes here. And then in the code... script. Wait minutes 1. Let me make sure that works. If it works, then I'm amazing. It looks like it's working. That was too early. That was too early. It looked like it was going good. Wait, I think it's this dot wait minutes. Now that I think about it, I think I actually have to use the this keyword. I am not making a plugin command for this. Alright, talk to Agorna. We wait. I don't think it's actually doing anything. Alright, let's try. Oh. Alright. Script. Okay, that's what that does. Wait. Dot wait. Oh, sorry. Wait equals. Wait count. Console.log. Oh, I am dumb! Time times 60 times 60. It was working! It's just, I needed to pass it in as minutes, not... Okay. I'm good. I thought about it. I am not derp. I am... It's working! Okay. Oh... And that gave us plenty of time for things to happen. A minute is not actually a long time, but I want the player to be able to explore during that minute. I should be getting close to a minute. Right? Oh, there we go. Okay, I think the only thing I want to add to this... I do want a little bit of weight. Not, like, the same amount, but, like... I want it to be a jump scare, so I want it to be, like... Actually, I'll give it a full 3 seconds. Have full control over your character. Set moving route, player... Move up. Because I don't want him to be in the way of the slam. Okay, for testing purposes, I'm going to put this to 0.1. So a tenth of a second, which is 6 seconds. Come on, bitches. I just need to make sure I have full control of my character before anything. Wait, I did not get control of my character. Oh. We'll put this to parallel. Is there a way to stop movement? I think if I turn this to parallel, then this will just be weird. Let me see what happens if I do this. Sorry, what? I mean, the slam happened, but, Oh. That needs to happen. Alright. There needs to be a way to, like, lock the player. Which prevents movement, but... Oh, shit. I need that to be an X. I do not want to walk up the wall like that. Being able to move it is a little bit wonky. I think I should make a script that locks the player's movement during the parallel, so that once the parallel is over. Actually, no. There should be auto run. There should be lockdown start B. And then there should just be lockdown. Lockdown start. Cut this, put this here, and this should be auto run. So we have parallel, no, auto run here, parallel heal. That way you start moving. Control variables. Oh, not variables. Switches. Lockdown start B on. Alright. I'm spending a lot of time on this. But I want it to look clean. Alright, I'm waiting. 6 seconds, come on. Wait, what? Actually, because of how I've changed things, I don't think there should be a, delay. I think that should just be instant. I think I'm pretty set up. I just have to put the hints to the key combination and set up a scene behind, here. And probably some stuff you can interact. I think I'm gonna drop the magazine rack idea. And just have a key card and the combination on a sticky note. I don't think it should be a full-on ordeal puzzle because I think people will hear the sirens and just want to get out of there. I also need to see if there's a way to prevent input from skipping dialogue, because I was just like clicking places and it did that, and I'm like, ah. So that's something else I'm going to need to check. But I think I'm going to take a break for now. So let us see who is on. Let's drop it to the single digit or barely double. Just because I see Marvel Rivals. Marvel Rivals is all I need to see to raid here. Yeah, I've been loving this game. I might do a Marvel Rivals stream at some point. But I feel like this is a game that I just want to play casually and not entertain a chat when I play. So I'm like, ah. So anyway, I will see y'all later. Have a great one. Mwah. Oh, I didn't even copy his name in. Let us do that correctly. I was like, raid settings is... Oh, it's preventing me from raiding. Okay, well, I'll raid someone who allows me to raid. And I will see you motherfuckers later. Alright, now for realsies this time. Bye-bye. Mwah.